Happy first birthday, Rohan!
It's a good day. We got sunlight.
Birthday, Rohan. Wish ko sa'yo ay good health hanggang ikaw ay lumaki and then maging God-fearing ka at be a blessing to others always.
Yan.
All that we can discover in this sky full of wonder.
Happy birthday, Rohan!
We love you, Rohan.
We love you. Love you, baby.
Born for adventure, made to run free. Days we'll remember with the world to see.
Happy birthday, Rohan! I love you. Hi, Rohan. Happy birthday. We all love you.
Happy birthday, Rohan! We love you!
Born for adventure. Born for adventure. It's a good
Happy birthday, Rohan!
Sana maging malusog ka palalo.
Ang wish ko sa'yo, lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos.
Sana maging musician ka din para magamit sa church.
Napakabait ka katulad ni Mami.
Huwag matigas ang ulo kay Mami at Daddy at laging makinig sa kanya.
Happy birthday, Rohan! God bless you!
Born for adventure. Born for adventure.
Kung makikita mo to ngayon ay sana ma-appreciate mo and sana ma-realize mo kung gaano namin kami nagsusumikap para mabigyan ka ng maayos na future.
Hey, Rohan, nandito lang kami ni Daddy palagi para sa'yo. Kahit na anong mangyari, susuportahan ka namin ni Daddy. We love you, baby.
Love you.
Like a low sitting fog at the break of day, let it fade, let it fade. Like a hold of a frost on a wind.
Happy birthday, Rohan! Sana lumaki ka na may takot sa Diyos and stay jolly. And I hope na lahat ng mga pangarap mo is matupad. And can't wait to see you grow. And Tita loves you so much. Happy birthday again!
Finally now, it was worth the wait.
Salamat sa buhay ni Rohan. Salamat dahil niloob mo na maging anak siya ni Jasper at niya kanya. For I know the plans I have for you, Rohan. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope in future.
Underneath the sky.
Sa kanyang paglaki, maranasan niya, Panginoon, ang iyong pagkilos, maranasan niya ang iyong gabay, maranasan niya, Panginoon, ang iyong biyayang masagana, pinansyal man at material. At higit sa lahat ng ito, palakihin mo siya ng merong banal na takot sa iyo. Sa pangalan ng Ama, ng Anak, at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Finally now, it was worth the wait.
Hello, Rohan. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Sana lumaki ka na kagaya ng mga family natin na involved sa gawain ni Lord.
Is golden underneath the sky, underneath the sky, underneath the sky.
Positive attitude ng Daddy niya. Yung palaging nakatawa, gano'n.
Naiyak na nga. Mapagmahal sa pamilya and maalaga. Maging mabuti kang bata.
Look beyond the horizon and remember the day. This was a day, yeah. Keep your eyes there. There's nothing like it. I was born to be brave, forever brave.
So gusto lang namin malaman mo, Rohan, na love ka namin. Hindi lang kami, pati yung mga lolo't lola mo, mga tito-tita mo. God bless, Rohan. And hindi pa namin alam kung anong mangyayari, pero excited kami sa magiging future mo. And I hope magkaroon ka pa ng maraming kalaro balang araw.
Feel my wings take flight.
Lumaki ka na maging blessing sa ibang tao. We love you, baby.
Sana'y lumaki ka kasing pogi ng daddy.
Underneath the sky, underneath the sky, underneath the sky.